Yeah, I got the same outfit on, same day, doing something different. That other video probably won't come out for a while, so forgive me. Doing a lot of stuff at the same time. Check it out. So, speaker box. We're gonna work on the speaker box. I'm not gonna take it out. I unplugged it, but it's a little hard. It's harder to take out. I don't feel like doing all that right now, so I can just do what I need to do to the front anyway. That's all I'm gonna do is wrap the front. But first, I'm gonna take off the plastic so I can clean that up. So all I'm gonna do is unscrew it. Let me set you guys down. Let's get to work. Find a place to put your screws. I got a let the bass blow. Boom. What in the world? What was this doing in there? You know what? I think what happened is, I think when see with this speaker box, this is a Toby speaker, and if you don't know what a Toby speaker is, you need to Google it. T-O-B-Y, Toby. Google it. I might put the link down for you as well. What it does is it sucks that air from the hole. It can tear up paper. So when the beat drop, it's blowing out all that air, and then it sucks it back in when the beat is not. So that can, I mean, this top came from my tire spray that I've been using. That's what it was. So let's get this started. Take a look in there. 110, and it's not no custom 10. Well, it's custom 10. It's not made by any corporation. It's made by Toby. He actually passed away, but his legacy still lives on. And I got a little light switch. I got a little light in there, but you can't tell with this being so dark. I don't know why. I don't even remember why I painted it black. But see the back side, clear. So let's go ahead and see. I don't have any more aircraft stripper either. So let's try to scrape it down. So that's what I'll do. I'll go ahead and try to scrape it off as much as I can and try to clean it up. So I'll get that to you in a second. Alright YouTube, so I couldn't clean off the plexiglass because I just don't feel like doing all that. It's not gonna come out right anyway. So I thought about just painting it red. Might as well. Let's try it. Alright, so the plexiglass is sitting here baking in the sun for another 15 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna clear coat it. It ain't the best job, but hey, it looks better than what it was. And now the speaker box. All I gotta do, I got this carbon fiber, but it's just a long strip. It's not a whole lot. So we're just gonna attach it to the box. I already cleaned it with some degreaser and some alcohol. I should have enough though, because it's long and it's not that long for the measurements, not that much for the box. So once I get this installed, I'll show you what that looks like. So I got one strip in. Alright, so what we're gonna do is kind of overlay the next one. Show you a little process I'm using. I already made my cut. I got this plastic spatula to help seal the deal. So just gonna peel off a little bit if I can get it to peel. That's the hard part. Alright, so I got a little bit off. And that's all I want to do right there, just like that. So I'll get ready to open. I don't want to cover up my little screw holes. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, post it right there like that, and take the backing and peel as I go down with the spatula. So let me get in position uphill. You actually can't see the line, but it don't have to be professional, super professional. Not for me, because you're not gonna really see much of it anyway. You're not gonna be taking a hard look at it. But it's a little bit of something just to do. I covered up my holes. But I'll figure that out in a second. It's alright. It's easy because once I place it back on there, it'll find the holes itself. Booyah. Another strip. So that side is basically done. Alright. Then we got this side right here. I can see where the square is, so I'll just start on this side. That way, I won't make the mistake of covering up those holes. And do I have enough left? Hopefully. Looks like I do. So let's measure it real quick. All right. It's right there. Then I cut it. Cut it. Doesn't have to be the straightest possible because this bottom edge is going to be hidden anyway. So, yes, I should have enough. Let me try to take some of this stick off. There we go. Alright, YouTube. Phone died on me last time, but it's all finished. Remember, this was all screwed up. It's not, this part right here is cracking up, but I'm going to buy some stickers anyway. Probably another Decepticon sticker. And put it on there anyway. And there's the carbon fiber. You can kind of see the lines, but it's all right. It's more far if you can't, so it's all good. So once again, guys, like, comment, subscribe. We got some more stuff coming at you. We got the radio bezel we got to finish up, and what else we got? I think that's it. Just the radio bezel to finish up. It's already glued tight and it's ready to go. So I'm gonna wait another couple of days, probably wait till Saturday or probably Thursday night, I don't know, probably Saturday, and sand it down, and then we're gonna go ahead and wrap that in the red carbon fiber. That's what I got. All right, peace.